Well, cheers. Toast to all of you guys. Thank you so much for sticking through with us all the way through to 10,000 subscribers.
It's more of a congratulations to everyone.
Yeah, we did this all
Thank
together.
you.
So cheers.
And cheers.
Cheers.
Pinky up.
Hey everyone, James and Mark here with another mukbang. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe.
And if you're new or newer to the channel, we want to know where you're from, what's your favorite food, and how did you find us?
As of today, which I don't know when you guys will get this video exactly, but we are no longer on the road to 10K. We've actually hit 10,000 subscribers this morning.
Oh my gosh.
Woo!
It was a nice surprise. It was like Christmas morning all over again.
Yeah, and so to celebrate this monumental milestone on our channel, we thought we would do an epic, I was gonna call it a seafood boil, but we actually grilled a bunch of king crab legs. This is actually a little bit more than what we usually buy. So Mark threw these bad boys on the grill.
Yeah.
We have some champagne. We're gonna dip it in some Alfredo sauce back here. It's kind of hidden, but you guys will eventually see it. We also have butter and garlic mayo.
Yeah. All right, so this
Point
is
it that way, right?
So this is kind of every single time it's I always get nervous.
I thought there's a method where you put like a kitchen towel over it or something. Ah, great minds think alike. But when it comes to things like this, I always defer to Mark. I'm very accident prone when it comes to this kind of stuff, so I don't trust myself nearly as much as I trust Mark. So
You didn't shake this or anything.
no,
right?
why would I? Just to make this video a little bit more pizzazzy. Oh my god. Oh, that's not it.
No, this is just the cover. All right, so here it goes. All right, so the trick is you take a kitchen towel and put it over the cork.
Might want to lift it a little bit more.
Oh,
There you
sorry.
go. Yeah.
And then you hold it, and then with your other arm, you kind of twist the bottle slowly, ever so slowly.
Oh, yay! Oh! This was not planned. Oh, there you go. Ooh.
Oh my gosh! Good thing I have the kitchen towel right here. I did not wet myself.
That's how excited you are about 10,000 subscribers. All right.
God.
Toast to all of you guys. Thank you so much for sticking through with us all the way through to 10,000
It's
subscribers.
more of a congratulations to everyone.
Yeah, we did this all
Thank
together.
you.
So cheers.
And cheers.
Cheers.
Pinky up. So we looked it up. This is like what, a $6 bottle?
Does it taste like one?
No, it doesn't. It tastes like $10,000 for the 10,000 subscribers.
It was a special occasion. We actually also bought an extra pair of scissors because a couple of you guys have said, you know, just get another pair of scissors. So I think we're at that level where we can
Afford
another pair of scissors. So
so as James was saying, we grilled this.
yeah.
And we've never really had it grilled. We always boiled it before, right? Mm-hmm. But I want to say it smells more like sweet crab when you grill it. You can smell it more than when you boil it.
There's a good aroma.
Yeah. Don't mind me. I'm gonna wear these fancy little black food gloves.
You do you, boo.
Just in case if there's any viewers out there who's like, oh, and I want to eat this, but I don't want to touch it, or the spiky is too spiky.
Yeah.
So this adds another layer of epidermis.
All right, let's dig in. So there's leg pieces and then there's claws. I tried doing my best to like dress it up, so I don't know which one you want first.
I just do this leg.
Guess we'll just do like a Jenga thing. Oh my god.
Oh, letter M for Mark.
Oh my, look at Handy who's like trying to get in on this too. You know what, like grilling it actually gives the shell a different like texture.
Yeah, and there's no water that just like, you know, pours out each time you crack it. Oh, just kidding. Oh.
So yeah, there's a little piece here that I'm gonna start off with. So we've never eaten it in the Alfredo sauce. This is a black truffle Alfredo sauce that we're testing out today. So
We were inspired by Views on the Road because I remember watching her
she was like
King
probably
Crab
the
ones.
first one that I've seen do it.
with, yeah. Yeah, with the Alfredo.
It's like luscious on luscious. Oh yeah.
Come on, $5 scissors. You could do this.
I gave you the newer pair hoping that it would be sharper, but
Yeah. Okay.
oh yeah.
Where's the discard pile? Up here?
I gave these little bowls for now. Yeah, we just don't have any room. You could do it up there too eventually.
Ooh. Okay. So you said the Alfredo.
Yeah.
What flavor Alfredo is this?
It's black truffle.
Oh.
I can't take you seriously with the black gloves though.
It's good with the Alfredo.
Yeah.
We're missing out.
I mean, it's, you know, when you think about it, a lot of people eat seafood pastas, and it's usually like an Alfredo sauce that I've seen them in. I'm gonna have to reach over for the butter. It's gonna be precarious. Now, do you even remember what number subscriber you were on this channel? I hope before 100.
You're a little what's the word? When you assume things.
Pretentious?
Yeah, pretentious.
Why?
I never said I subscribed.
Oh gosh.
Just kidding. I was one of her early followers.
Uh-oh, look guys. Oh.
Oh, that looks good.
Blurry for a second. Refocus. There we go.
I'm like squirting everywhere today.
All the juicy ones.
So, how do you like it grilled?
It's good.
You like it?
Yeah, it's
It kind of gives it a different flavor, huh?
yeah. Because we normally steam ours, right?
Yeah.
And then there's I forgot to mention there's lemon, so if you need lemon for anything,
Okay.
have at it.
I'm liking the Alfredo sauce actually.
Yeah, it's good.
You know, when we go eat Italian food, I tend to get my pasta with some kind of red sauce because I feel less guilty. Because pasta already is like carb heavy, right?
Yeah.
But like sometimes I'm like, I want some Alfredo, some cream sauce, but I never get it. So I feel like right now it's like it's hitting the spot.
And you deserve it, you know. All the hard work and effort we've put into the channel. We should be in a well, obviously we're in a celebratory mood.
Yeah.
So we've just been eating like madmen because it's been, you know, it's the Thanksgiving holiday. So we just had Thanksgiving a few days ago, and we still have a lot of leftovers. And here we are eating king
We even
crab.
started before Thanksgiving by eating that vegan Thanksgiving meal.
Yeah.
Remember that?
Yeah.
So this is called the knuckle, like the bulk piece.
I think so.
It is convenient having 2 pairs of scissors,
Oh yeah.
right?
Especially since like I usually have a lot of grimy hands when I eat, so the last thing you probably want to touch is like the scissors after I've used them. So now that we have separate ones,
It's like
we can go crazy.
usually has a lot of butter on it, on the handle.
Yeah. Hetty's eating my napkin. I mean, I can't fault him. He knows when there's good food around, right? I'm gonna go for this now.
The claw?
Yeah. Har, har, har. So, you know, now that we've hit this,
Yeah.
what changes? Does anything change?
Yeah,
Does
we
life
need,
go on?
life goes on. We're gonna go on a 2-year break. Just kidding. No, we just need to set a new goal. And perfect timing because New Year's is coming up. And it was New Year's last year where we set the 10,000 goal, right?
Yeah. We also have been talking about how we're supposed to do a meetup. So if you guys are interested in meeting us, we'll have details about that in the coming weeks. We're going to try to do something before the year's over. So just make sure you click on that bell so you don't miss out on any notifications. We'll probably put it in the community tab or something.
Now,
And if you have ideas on what we should do.
and then if you're watching this video, can you just give a hint if you're like even interested in coming, because it'll be so sad if like we plan this thing and then no one comes. Right?
I think something happened to you as a kid. Because since we've talked about this meetup, he's had the same worry about no one showing up, which I guess, I mean, it's a very big possibility of that happening because we're not a big channel or anything. And then we also know a lot of you guys aren't local to us either, too. So it's like, but I think I'll just be happy if even one person shows up.
Yeah, we should be strategic. Okay, I guess I'll do the claw too. Oh, I don't know what I just dropped.
I don't either. What do you need?
No, this is kind of intimidating.
Oh, you got it.
Oh,
Yeah, it's
it's
very bulby.
thick.
Yeah.
What's the
Oh my God.
what's the trendy word now? THICC.
Yeah, that.
This is thick. Oh my gosh. I feel like I'm gonna break the scissors.
Just, I think the leg pieces are probably safer.
Yeah. Oh.
It's delicious. I don't know. I feel like the meat is more firm when you grilled it versus like how we normally prepare it. Mm-hmm. And then you can kind of taste small parts that are a little charred, which is delicious. Ooh, that sounds promising.
I wonder if Costco's happy ever since like mukbangers started doing crab legs.
Yeah, if sales went up.
They're like, I don't know what's going on, but our sales of king crab legs went up 229%. So share your true reaction or feeling once we hit the 10,000.
You remember when Kelly Clarkson won American Idol?
Yes.
And she sang that song, A Moment Like This. I had that song playing in my head when I saw the number reach 10,000 because I still remember the early days when it was so hard just to get one new subscriber a day. Like I want to say the first 100 were all people that I like, hey, can you subscribe to my channel? Like people that we know. And then at a certain point, it kind of like took off. And then there was another lull. And then now we did another push. So it's just been, it just feels good to reach a goal, you know?
Yeah.
So that was the feeling I had.
Now, is it the Kelly Clarkson version of that song or the Sideshow Bob? Look, what's his name? Justin?
It was Kelly Clarkson version.
Okay.
Not the Justin Guarini version.
Oh, that's good. That means it was super special.
Are you surprised I even remember his name?
Yeah.
Did you vote for him? Did you even vote?
I don't vote. I vote in politics. I don't think I've ever voted in American Idol. Did you vote in American Idol?
Yeah, I voted like the max was like 10 times you could vote for her.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't know where my other piece went.
Did you finish it?
No, I only had the
What's that on the side there? Or is that
on my show.
Oh. I couldn't have gone far. I didn't eat it.
Unless you
No, I really didn't.
Let's replay this.
I don't feel anything up there. Are you sure? What's this? That's the other
that's
part?
the knuckle part, no? Yeah.
I don't know. I can't.
I think you ate it.
I didn't. I really didn't.
Well, it went somewhere. It's okay.
That's so weird.
It is weird, huh?
Well, how about you? How did you feel when you woke up before me? So did you know we hit 10,000 before I woke up?
Yeah.
And what was going through your mind?
So, you know Jennifer Hudson's when she won American Idol? That kind of feeling.
Well, I would totally go along with this joke, but she never won.
No, what?
She got booted like 5th.
And she
was 5th
and
place.
she has a career?
Yeah.
She never won?
No, she never won.
Well, she's probably looking back and be like, heck, I don't need American Idol. I'm more popular than Taylor, what's his name? Taylor
Hicks. I'm embarrassed for you. You thought she won. She did sing A Circle of Life. I remember that being like one of her moments in the show.
The Elton John one?
Yeah. Wait, he sings Circle of Life?
Or
he
Lion
does.
King?
Yeah. How do you guys feel about the Lion King revival, whatnot? Because they're like bringing back it in summer 2019. Some people are like mixed reviews, I guess. Like don't mess up a good thing, and then others are like excited. So
Well, we were eating dinner with our friends last night, talking about this. And we were saying like these days, there's no incentive to do like original content anymore.
yeah,
It's like a remake of a classic. Ooh.
I'm feeling like I'm extra cautious because I got injured earlier.
Yeah, how is your thumb?
As long as I don't get any lemon juice in there, I should be okay.
Okay. I found it.
See? Where was it? Just right in front?
Yeah.
Can you imagine like watching this? People are like, oh my god, it's right there. It's right there.
I was just testing you.
Oh. Yeah. Lemon and butter. I mean, as much as I think the Alfredo is really good, but I'm just a sucker when it comes to classic.
And ever since you started getting Kerrygold butter, huh?
Mm-hmm.
That was a game changer for you.
Kerrygold butter all the way.
That's like the only butter we buy now.
Yeah.
And it increased our grocery shopping cost by tenfold. Like
And didn't we
almost
discover-
every week we buy new Kerrygold butter.
Not every week.
Pretty much. Then we what?
I forgot what I was gonna say. I started on this piece and I don't even remember. Oh. Cut from both sides. Someone said that they like that you cut from both sides, so I will cut from both sides. Because it's easier to get the meat out when you do that versus just one side.
Mm-hmm.
I think, would you ever want to do a de-shelled seafood boil?
Yes, because I feel like every time we do this, and then I'm just watching back on our videos, I look like I'm like struggling the whole time. Or like I'm serious.
You are serious when you do seafood boils.
Because like I'm
you're
concentrating.
Yeah. My shirt is done.
Oh, great. It's laundry day again.
So I'm gonna admit, like, even though this is delicious and whatnot, I feel like I'm gonna need to eat like a scoop of mashed potatoes or a scoop of stuffing afterwards, just to like round it out. Because I can eat seafood all day, every day. Oh, look at this piece, guys. Oh yeah. Oh. I feel like this is like the biggest knuckle I've ever seen. No?
Maybe this guy played baseball. And he was a pitcher.
Oh my god, look at how big this is. Mmm. Are you happy using the gloves? Yeah? There's a lot of interesting noises coming out of this one. So the dilemma we have with filming mukbangs is you can only film up to around like a little under 30 minutes before you have to press the record button again. And we're almost at the limit. So, and especially with our hands being in the state it is in, oh my God. Less talking, more eating. Just eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it.
Ursula, Ursula.
I'm Ursula. What?
Yes.
Take me now.
Can I help you?
Ooh, you're getting a lot of good chewing noises too. I'm getting the tingles. So Mark got a haircut today and it's like super short. Like the backside when you rub it, it's like, I don't know, it's just, it feels like there's no hair. Usually you feel a little bristly, but there's like nothing there.
Yeah, he used this buffer thing.
Oh.
And I guess
Like for a bowling ball?
I think that people who are like almost bald, that still gets their haircut, like I think that's what they use.
I was gonna say, is my chin like oily? Lost cause? Alright, I'm gonna try to squeeze in this one before the video runs out. We'll get to what we can get. Oh, look at Hetty's pushing me. Oh my God, guys.
Oh, that's a good piece. Are you eating it like lollipop style?
No, oh my God. Oh yeah.
This was a healthy crab. I feel like. I feel like he ate a lot.
Yeah, he was good.
It was good.
We have a box here. I hope we don't need it.
That was a good final piece for me. Like magic. So clean! And let me touch your face.
Go ahead. Let's see. Oh wow, nothing. You didn't even puncture your gloves at all? Oh. All right, well, we're gonna continue our celebration. I think we should go out tonight for drinks or something.
I can't believe we ate this. How much did we spend on this?
I think it was around $100, $112, because we also got coconut.
Oh, that's right.
Water or whatever it is called. But thank you guys again so much for helping us reach 10K. I kind of, even though I was griping about it in the last video, I'm gonna miss saying on the road to 10K, but we'll have some other kind of goal soon. But you guys, make sure you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, and make sure you hit that bell notification so you don't miss out on any updates. And me and Mark and Hedu will see you guys for our next video. We'll see you guys later. Bye.
Bye.